Hi guys, my name is Shad. In this video we're going to talk about using initialization blocks and variables. In the BI admin tool, go ahead and open the BI sample repository in offline mode. Once in the repository, click on manage, then click on variables. In the variable manager, select action, then new, then repository, then click on initialization block. On name, type current periods. Once done, click on the edit data source button. From this dialog box, click on the browse button. This will open the select connection pool dialog box. To select the connection pool, double click on the connection pool object. The connection pool is now added right here. Now go ahead and type SQL shown in the screen. This SQL statement will determine current day, month and year, as it will look for the maximum value of the period key, which is bill date det or DT, inside the fact table. Once you are done typing, click the test button. Confirm the values in your results. The data is also based on a sample database. Close the results window. Click OK to close the data source dialog box. Confirm the SQL statement is shown up right here. Also confirm the connection pool right here. Now we can create variable. Click on the edit data target button. Here we will create 3 new variables. These are current day, current month and current year. Remember the SQL statement from earlier. The order of the variables is also important as it has to match the order in the SQL statement. Go ahead and click the new button. Type current day as the name of the variable. When done, just click OK. Click new button again. Name this variable current month. Click OK when you are done. Create another new variable and name it current year. There we go. Confirm that all the variables are showing up over here. The down and up buttons right here can be used to change the position of the variables. However, still make sure they are in the order that matches their corresponding columns in the SQL statement. Click OK to close this. Over here below schedule, you can set the interval depending on how often you want the data to be refreshed. Also, you still confirm that the variable targets are matching the SQL statement. Current month matches per name month and current year matches per name year. When done, click on the test button. Just note that the results are based on a sample database, so they may show an old date unless otherwise. Let's close the results window. Also click OK to close this dialog box. Check to make sure everything is correct in the variable manager. Once you are sure, click on action, then click on close. Save the repository and check consistency. Now the next thing to do is to test our work. Load the repository through Enterprise Manager, then go ahead and sign in to BI Analytics. From the time folder, select per name year. Select also per name month column. Then select calendar date column. From the base facts, select revenue. From the properties drop down, click on filter. From new filter dialog box, select add more options, then click on repository variable. For the repository variable, type current year. This creates the filter for per name year using current year repository variable. Click OK to close the new filter dialog box. Let's do the same thing for per name month. Click on filter, select add more options, then click repository variable. For the repository variable, type current month. When done, just press OK. Go ahead and do the same for calendar date also. Go to add more options, click repository variable, then type current day for the repository variable. Click OK to close the dialog box. Now let's go ahead and click on results. The results should show only data from current year, month and day. Remember also the results are based on a sample database. We are done for now, guys. Thank you for watching and good luck.